Module 2, Creating Your Sway Presentation. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a sway from an existing presentation or document. To get started, we will open Sway from your Microsoft 365 menu. This time, we will select the Import option. We can import any PowerPoint, PDF file, or Word document into Sway. To import an existing file into Sway, it can really be saved anywhere. It doesn't have to necessarily be saved in Microsoft OneDrive. As long as your computer can access the storage, then you can retrieve a document from there. I'm going to import a Word document into my Sway, so I'm going to select this report on adaptations on the Galapagos Islands. Sway works its magic to arrange the information for you into your Sway. Sway is going to title the presentation based on my document title. As you can see, Sway placed all of my text onto one card, and that wouldn't make for a very attractive presentation. So I'm going to create new cards below this one. I'm going to select that card, and that'll give me the plus sign, which means I want to add some cards below. So I'm going to want to add images to my cards, so I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of image cards below. The beauty of this is that there's no need to retype your content. From here you can add pictures and media to visually enhance your content, and you can simply cut and paste the content of your card. So for instance, right here I'm going to leave this first text. The Galapagos Islands are off the coast of Ecuador in the Pacific Ocean, but I'm going to take Charles Darwin and I'm going to cut and paste him onto my next card. And that way I would only have to come up here and select Charles Darwin, and I might drag an image of him over to my card. This way it's much quicker to take the research you've already done and turn it into a nice visually stimulating Sway presentation. Now let's look at what Sway can do for your existing PowerPoint presentations. I'm going to go back to my Sway homepage, and I'm going to again choose to import a file. I'm going to find a PowerPoint that I already made for my class, and I'm going to let Sway work its magic once again and rearrange that PowerPoint into a Sway. As you can see, my content is a little jumbled up. Depending on the PowerPoint formatting, you may have some rearranging to do. Let's hit the preview button to see what it looks like. Sway assigned the vertical layout to my presentation. It placed my content in the correct order, but I may want to go back to my cards and rearrange images and text to improve the logical flow of information to the viewer. Before I invest the time to manually rearrange my Sway, let's try to remix it. To change the design, media arrangement, and layout of your entire presentation, you can use the Remix button. It is easy to let Sway convert your existing documents or presentations into dynamic, interactive, multimedia experiences. Thanks for watching. Next up, Module 2.3. Importing media into your Sway. Don't forget to take the quiz upon completion of Module 2.